today I just move. I wake up at my brother's place. We grew up in Tunza Children's Home together. And today I just decided to go to this beautiful part of Nairobi city. And this part of Nairobi city is known as Eastleigh, the land of Somali and Ethiopians. This place has been so much being talked about in Kenya. Since there was this Al-Shabaab thing and other things, Eastleigh was the most pointed fingers. But if you doesn't understand, Eastleigh is the best place in Kenya that has most things, that everything that you got in market, that everything that you meet, every cloth that person wears in market and household, they will tell you that they get them from Eastleigh. Eastleigh is a beautiful town, is a beautiful CBD town from Nairobi city. It is in Nairobi city, but it is also a town in a city. And Eastleigh being part of Nairobi city, it has played a major role in development. They have the best retailers in the country and wholesalers in country. This place, if you just walk in this place, you will be more shocked to understand that the place has a lot to offer in Kenya. Today, I just decided just to wake up as a normal kid in Africa, a boy who has a future. I decided to scroll down that place and see for myself. I've been here in this place and I was so scared, like I'll get Somalis and Ethiopians and the history of Kenya and Somali border. I thought this place I would get bombed, but that is not what I had. But this place, man, it is a heartwarming, it is a very beautiful place. It is also a safe place to go well in Kenya. When you're doing your shopping, especially your household, you better visit this place. Eastleigh is one of its kind. If you don't understand it, Eastleigh is the beautiful place that people will be always eager to go. You should. I really wonder why people have been having a negative thought about Eastleigh, but Eastleigh, it is amazing. It has good households. They have good rentals. I've been this place. When I was walking around, I feel safe. At the first, when I was alerted from the bus, I didn't feel safe. But when I reached the place, I just felt more safe. I've been seeing people on TikTok putting video about Eastleigh. If you want clothes, if you want new clothes, especially not Mtumba, you can get them in Kikomba. I'll be doing a video in Kikomba. And household things, especially curtains, clothing. This place has a lot to offer. They have cheap things and new and original. That is what makes Eastleigh the most vibrant town in Nairobi, that create business opportunities for Nairobi people. Especially in Eastleigh, you'll get more generous people. They'll tell you this is the price and this is the wholesale price and the right price, marked price. When you go to Eastleigh, you need to know the difference between the two. Is it a marked price or is it a wholesale price? When you buy wholesale, you buy more than 3 things. When you buy marked price, you buy one thing but expensive. So you better now understand those things. So today, I'm going to do my shopping there. What am I going to buy? I'm going to buy wallpaper for my studio, because my studio need curtains, need wallpapers. So I'm going to do that shopping, because when I ask back in my village how much is a curtain, is more expensive. It's double what I will buy in Eastleigh. You see? So that's how people should, when you're doing business, when you're doing your calculations in your shopping, you better do better when you're doing this thing. Make sure you go down there, make your budget, know what you want, what you really need, and how much does it cost when you go to Eastleigh. So Eastleigh is a part of it. Let me leave you. Continue to watch the video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. God bless.